MIS Specialist. Pioneer Consultancy and Business Solution. MIS Reporting Services will help you centralize the reporting system by removing the haze and creating clarity. Being in the industry for so many years has helped us understand various industries and their requirements. Our aim is to help you make your business and processes more efficient and effective by avoiding unwanted problems. Reports form an integral part of any organization. Each employee maintains a report of tasks that have been conducted during the course of the day or the week. This helps discern the productivity of an employee, of a department, and the organization as a whole. Reports are a dominant base, which helps in taking critical decisions for progress in the future. However, things become a puzzled maze if reports are not properly named and stored and are inaccessible when required. With Management Information System, or MIS, we provide you with a centralized report management application to save all the required reports in a common place. Our team will analyze and understand the reporting needs of the professionals in your organization. Spreadsheets will be created, encompassing all the required details. The format created is easy to use and to help inculcate the habit of everyday reporting. If all the reports in your organization are managed well, it can help you to take your decisions in a more efficient manner. Furthermore, with globalization, most of the companies are providing services round the clock. It is not always that people from all shifts are able to meet and discuss their progress. It is, however, essential to know the details of the task done by the person in the previous shift for you to carry on further with the tasks of the day to avoid replication. This is where MIS reporting is helpful. Pioneer Consultancy and Business Solution have the solutions. 100% peace of mind. Don't worry about any late payment or facing frequently legal notices. More than 60% of cost cutting in indirect expenses. No hassle for searching accounts staff. Appropriate fund management increase your income more than 3%. System setup. If you have just started your business and you want to set up an efficient and foolproof accounting system, then here's where we come into the picture. Our team will understand your business thoroughly and will set up an efficient system for your organization, which will run smoothly, even in your absence. Accounting process transition. If you are not satisfied with your old accounting system or you want to upgrade to a new system or to modify your old system, which will cover all parts of accounting systems like inventory, tax, payroll, MIS, or customize reports, then please contact us, as we have tremendous experience of process transition for various local and international companies. Tax and statutory calendar. Direct or indirect tax is a very important liability for each business. Due to negligence or unawareness, we drop many timeline for tax liability, which will cost you lot and make a negative impression with the tax authorities. Internal audit. If your organization is small or mid-sized, and you are mostly out of office or out of town, then it's hard to keep track of each and every transaction. Using the concept of internal audit every month, which is only a 1 or 2 day activity, you can get a clear picture of all transactions that have taken place across the month. CRM, Customer is God, a universal motto for all businesses. We want to work with our stakeholders professionally and efficiently, but due to lack of information or incomplete customer details, we lose the right opportunity. We cannot reach out to them on their birthdays or festivals, or to inform them about new offers or opportunities. Using the customer database, we can keep in touch with them and keep them happy. This system also takes care of customer care services, like welcome call, corporate gifts, and SMS and email-based information services. Data management. In many organizations we detect a number of unwanted and duplicate files or folders on computers or servers, which end up creating a lot of confusion. To avoid this chaotic situation, we provide data management services, which includes data backup, data security and recovery, file and folder allocation, scanning of every important document and many data-related operation, email and Outlook management. Microsoft Excel Total Solution. We design Microsoft Excel program for various businesses to reduce their routine Microsoft Excel work up to 90%. We analyze clients' routine Microsoft Excel work and then find a way such that using baby formulas or macros helps to save time of work and ultimately saves money. It also helps to improve your work quality. Workflow Management Solution. Our expert analyzed workflows of various businesses of industry. Hence, according to the need of our client, we provide them with workflow management solution. It helps to reduce time of work as well as saves money. It also helps to improve quality of work and most importantly, it helps to smooth workflow within the organization. Inventory management. Inventory is an asset for every company, but many small or mid-sized companies do not know the exact cost or volume of their inventory. This is a pure loss for the organization, as inventory affects current assets, bank cash credit reports, purchase and sales department, and controlling excess or short stock and dead stock. Warehouse and branch management. If you have your branch located nearby in Pune and your head office is at a further distance from the city, and due to the small size of the business or minimal transactions in a month, you are unable to appoint a staff or maintain a full-fledged office, then we can provide you with warehouse or branch management services. These will help you save more than 60% of your expense. If you do not want to set up your office in Pune but you need some space for office work, then we can also provide you with virtual office, such that you can take meetings or interviews during your visit to Pune. Paperless office. We provide paperless office solution and ISO or Kaizen implementation for more productive and punctual work process. Training. We also provide training for all these services for corporate companies and students. Special discount offer for students. We can conduct training sessions for corporate at your workstation as per your demand. Do you know? Due to business outsourcing, you can get more than 95% accuracy and save up to 60% of the costs. Virtual office is one of the best solutions for multi-city business operation, as it saves more than 75% of the costs. More than 65% of small or medium-sized firms pay penalty and interest for late tax return filing or submission due to negligence or unawareness of process. More than 70% USA and Europe-based companies outsource their business, which save them more than 50% cost. Y Pioneer Consultancy and Business Solution. MIS Services. It's not just a survey but a fact. Regular practice disadvantages. One can know his business position only once he prepares profit and loss, balance sheet and other accounting reports. Lot of problems occur, such as bank checks received or given to which cannot be identified in some cases, as time of transaction and time of accounting has large gap. One may have lot of pressure to file income tax, VAT, and service tax returns in time. Record cannot kept professionally, no guidelines, rules. Accountants always leave their jobs once they get good opportunity, and they usually get this opportunity, as lot of IT companies need 1 to 3 year experienced persons. Advantages of Pioneer Consultancy and Business Solution Service. We issue yearly compliance calendar to every client according to their needs. Because of we set our due dates, client never has issue of due dates. Now imagine your income tax, that service tax return get filed on 1st April or even 30th April, how freely you can work. You never feel any pressure of statutory due dates. As we do accounting regularly, you can able to know your business position at any point of time. You need not to worry of your staff and recruiting of new staff. Your work can get done by professional people by professional way. Such service may be expensive if you appoint separately. We set our due dates on top of statutory due dates. Example, statutory due date of filing income tax for individual is the 31st of July. However, we set due date as the 15th of June. So we can help you in marketing solutions, relocation solution, real estate and property management, investment and insurance solution, branding and advertising, events and sales promotions, all types of printing and media, Forex and visa related work, hotel and ticket booking, legal services, government documentation, office design, architect and furniture, Pioneer Consultancy and Business Solution. Prompt and professional transactions, just for your convenience.